Hey everybody, welcome back to our Deluxe Shed project. Let's have a quick look and see what the team is working on this week. So behind me here, we're getting some flat Hardie siding on right now. On top of this, we'll go battens, so it'll have a board and batten sort of style finish. The team has got most of the soffit installed up top. Electrical is working and all installed into here now. And one of the details that we talked about when we were on site with Chase last week was this trim piece that would go around the perimeter of the shed, preventing any rodents from making homes underneath this thing. So that's now in, and that'll get painted out the same color as the siding, so it just kind of blends in. But team has made tremendous progress. I don't really need to come by and do updates on something like this, but I think it's kind of fun and it's a cool little project that we're doing for these clients, and they are great clients. So that's what's going on here. Hey, listen, if you have something that you're looking to get done around the house, pick up the phone and give us a call, 604-971-4899, or reach us on our website, sprucehill.ca. As always, please subscribe and like this video. We'd love to increase our subscriber count as much as we possibly can. If you have anything that you'd like to learn more about or why we do what we do, drop us a comment below. Other than that, thanks for watching. Stay awesome.